All right, Rankin family. So I am ecstatic about showcasing this beautiful property. I've been waiting for some time to share this on this channel, and we finally got access to it. This is the Asher by Westin Homes right here in Fulshear Lakes. Absolutely gorgeous. If you even notice the black exterior, it's very rare that we see properties with the black exterior, but I think it adds an elegant look. This one's going to have 5 bedrooms in there. It's a 3-car garage. You got the multi-stone right here, the multi-tone stone with the double doors as soon as you walk in to the covered front porch. And this one's going to have the glass pane, which adds an elegant look to it as well. And this is going to be, as soon as you walk in, you're going to have the beautiful foyer. So on top, you have the rotunda-like ceiling with the chandelier coming down and the curved staircase. But what we'll do is we'll start right here to the right so you can see the half bath, also known as the powder bath. You got that nice accent wall right there. You got the beautiful tile flooring right there. And you have the white cabinets right there. And so this will be your coat closet. And then we'll go right across the way so you can see the first bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. You have the candlelight chandelier coming down. You have that built-in bench right there on the window sills. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how much room you have inside of this particular bedroom right here. This one will have a bathroom that is attached to the bedroom, so which is fantastic. A lot of folks absolutely love that. How we always talk about that this would be perfect for a guest room, and I think this definitely does it justice. So then right here, you're going to have your walk-in shower with the black shower head right there. You have the unique lighting fixture coming down over the sink. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, keep in mind, folks, this is the model house. So how we talk about some of these upgrades can or may not be in the actual inventory home. Okay. And then so what we'll do is we'll take a look at the great room. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how much natural light comes inside of here. And then if you notice, you even have your electric fireplace right here, almost like an oversized fireplace, which is fantastic. You can only imagine during winter nights or Christmas, this will be perfect. So you got your 20-foot ceilings in here, beautiful chandelier coming down. And I know you can kind of see upstairs to the second story, but we'll go ahead and showcase the kitchen before that. So absolutely gorgeous. You got your wooden range hood. You got the cabinet crowns on the top. You got your quartz countertops right here, oversized island. Absolutely gorgeous. And then if you even notice too, the backsplash, definitely unique backsplash right there. You got the pop filler as well. Now this one's fantastic. You got your farmhouse sink with the stainless steel appliances inside of here. And it definitely looks fantastic. You definitely got to see it in person. It looks 1,000 times better, probably, maybe. I think so. But you got your utility room right here with all the upgraded cabinetry right there as well. And then this will be your pantry. So you got plenty of space. And like I said, this is a 3-car garage. It'll be a tandem garage, which some folks absolutely love. You got your epoxy flooring inside of here. You got the access to the side of the house. And a tandem essentially means instead of side by side, you have them stacked right there. All right. So let me know so far what you folks think about it. And even going into the breakfast area, you have your tray ceilings with the wood engineer flooring on top. I think it adds a nice touch. Very unique, very well thought out. And then inside the primary, look how beautiful this is. You have your double tray ceilings on the top with your LED ceiling fan, plenty of space inside of here. You got 3 windows and of course right here you have that nice accent wall as well. Look how much room you got in here. You got the 2 nightstands, king size bed, dresser. You got a little bench right there. You got the chair, and you still got plenty of walk room. Even just looking at the brass lighting fixtures over the nightstands definitely adds a nice touch. And I'll pan one more time so that way you can see. All right, and now let's take a look at the primary bath. You got the brass lighting fixture on top, chandelier. You got your nice soaking tub, his and her sink, and a little vanity area over there as well. And then your toilet will be right there to the right. And then this will be your walk-in shower. You got your brass waterfall shower head as well, tile backsplash. And then you got tile flooring in here, marble tile flooring. And this will be one of the closets right here. This will probably be for my fellas. And this will probably most likely be for the ladies, most likely. And the primary bathroom closet will be attached to the utility room, but we'll go back through here so that way you can see the main area of the house. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin, a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you can always hit the link in the description below and we'll get you taken care of. And then I'll pan one more time to the great room. And then let's go take a look. We'll go up the curved staircase, which adds a nice, elegant look. And I can't wait to share the ceiling in the game room. Wow, look how beautiful that is. So you have the beam running across the cathedral-like ceiling, essentially an A-frame right there. Absolutely fantastic. Look how much natural light that comes in just the game room itself. And we haven't even seen the media room. And then you got your Sputnik chandelier right there. And the good thing is about this is if you've noticed, you have enough space for a pool table. Plus you could even have a poker table right here or anything that you really want. You can even add a whole couch or a L section sofa, so that way you'll be taken care of. And then even inside the media room, you have the beautiful theater-like lighting fixtures. And you definitely have plenty of space for any amount of entertaining guests. And then so upstairs, you will have a total of 3 bedrooms, and that'll make 5 bedrooms. So plenty of space for a nice sized family or any growing family. That way you don't have to worry about upsizing in the future. And this will be the first bedroom upstairs. So they have it essentially as a nursing room, but you could use this for any type of room that you need. You have a decent amount of space in here with a nice size closet as well. And then this will be your bathroom. It's essentially a Jack and Jill. You got the lighting fixture with the circular mirror, the white cabinetry with the tile flooring. And this will be your shower tub combo with the black shower head and the black shower faucet. Okay. And they definitely kept it uniform in here. And this will be your second bedroom upstairs for a total of 4 so far. Got your LED ceiling fan right there. And then you have a nice size walk-in closet as well. And then this will be another full bathroom shower tub combo, again with the tile flooring, zigzag or brick-like backsplash right there, black lighting fixture. And if you notice, you got the wood cabinetry on this one. So let me know in the comments what you folks think about that. And this will be the 5th and final bedroom inside of here. Absolutely gorgeous. So you definitely have a decent amount of space in here. If you remember, I showcased the Carter on this channel. I've showcased the Preston, and I showcased the 1-story, which was the Lorraine 2. And a lot of folks love that. And so this will just give you a basis of the Asher. Okay. And then let's go take a look at the backyard. And this one does have an office. It's being occupied right now, but essentially that would be it right there. All right, Rankin family, you knew I couldn't leave the house without making sure I showcased this study for you. So here it is right here. Let's get back to it. Okay, so let's go take a look at the backyard. And you have a decent amount of space, and even inside of the study, you will have the tray ceiling, so similar to that up there. And this is the extended backyard patio. Wow, perfect for entertaining. Wonderful. I think it would look really nice if you were to add a sliding glass door right there, but if you don't want it or don't need it, I guess this will definitely do. But absolutely gorgeous. And this will be the size of this particular lot. A lot of times they will sell off the model house eventually, but usually that's not until they got all the inventory sold. And that is the back of the property. So Rankin family, that is the Asher. All right, Rankin family, so I was so excited about sharing this Asher with you folks. I was doing whatever it took to make sure I brought this to the channel. So let me know in the comments below what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.